The Dragon has a new trick up its sleeve, and it goes by the name of WZ-10 Cloud Shadow. This isn't some mythical beast, but China's latest attack helicopter, and it's got everyone in India's defense circles talking. Why? Let's just say it casts a rather large shadow, literally and figuratively. This isn't just about another weapon in a neighbor's arsenal. It's about what that weapon means for India's security. The Himalayas, once considered formidable barriers, are now potential theaters of engagement. And the Cloud Shadow, with its advanced capabilities, adds a new dimension to the complex geopolitical chessboard. Is it a harbinger of conflict or merely a tool for posturing? Well, that's what we're here to unpack. Buckle up, because understanding this metal bird is key to understanding the future of defense in the region. The WZ-10 Cloud Shadow isn't just a name, it's a statement. Developed by the infamous Changhe Aircraft Industries Corporation, this is China's answer to the American Apache and the Russian Mi-28. It's a sleek, mean, fighting machine designed for one purpose: to dominate the battlefield. But what's under the hood? Think cutting-edge avionics, powerful engines, and a range that could make even the most seasoned pilots raise an eyebrow. This isn't your grandfather's helicopter. It's a 21st century weapon platform designed for speed, agility, and lethal efficiency. And let's not forget the arsenal. We're talking anti-tank missiles, rockets, and a fearsome 30mm cannon that would make any target think twice. It's a potent mix that has garnered attention from defense analysts worldwide, and for good reason. The Cloud Shadow is a significant upgrade for the People's Liberation Army, and its capabilities have the potential to shift the balance of power in the region. But brute force is only part of the story. The Cloud Shadow isn't just about firepower, it's about intelligence gathering. Imagine this: a silent predator lurking in the clouds, its advanced sensors feeding real-time data back to command centers miles away. That's the real game changer. The WZ-10's sophisticated radar and electro-optical systems give it an edge in reconnaissance and surveillance, allowing it to track enemy movements, identify targets, and even jam enemy communications. In the age of information warfare, knowledge is power, and the Cloud Shadow is designed to give China a decisive advantage. For India, this poses a significant challenge. The ability to monitor Indian troop movements, naval deployments, and even critical infrastructure from afar is a worrying development. And it's not just about border disputes. The Cloud Shadow's extended range means it could potentially operate over the Indian Ocean, posing a threat to India's maritime interests as well. Now let's talk about those teeth. The WZ-10 packs a punch that can ruin anyone's day. We're talking laser-guided anti-tank missiles capable of taking out the toughest armor, rockets for surgical strikes on enemy positions, and that 30mm cannon we mentioned. Let's just say it doesn't fire blanks. This arsenal isn't just for show. It's designed to give the Cloud Shadow a decisive edge in any engagement, whether it's supporting ground troops, engaging enemy armor, or even going toe-to-toe with other helicopters. This firepower, combined with its advanced avionics and maneuverability, makes the WZ-10 a formidable opponent. For India, this means that any future conflict could involve facing a highly mobile and lethal enemy capable of striking with precision and speed. It's a sobering thought, and one that Indian defense planners are taking very seriously.